review your day. You see, one of my heroes is Ben Franklin, and he was one of the founding fathers of America, and his list of achievements is truly mind-boggling. He was the inventor of the lightning rod and the bifocals. He was a real estate tycoon who retired at the age of 42. He was an entrepreneur who used to run a printing press. He was a diplomat. He signed both the Declaration of Independence and the American Constitution. You see, his total list of accomplishments is amazing. But how did he do it all? When you read Ben Franklin's autobiography, you realize that one of the things that made him really successful was his productivity system. Every night he would review his day. He would ask himself how he did on his goals and how he did on his values so that he could take appropriate action the next day. And that's what you need to do. You need to ask yourself, did you accomplish what you set out to do today? Here's a really simple review system that you can follow. Ask yourself, what did I accomplish today compared to what I had planned? Maybe even score yourself. The next question you want to ask yourself is, what did I learn today? The next question you want to ask yourself is, what one thing do I need to improve on tomorrow? Now, make sure it's not a long list of things because there's always so many things to improve. Just one thing to improve on is good enough.